Hi, Greg Jordan here from Next Level Local Business. And today our topic is on this subject of online reputation improvement. The goal is to be able to get you some information so that you can improve your own online reputation and build your business as a result of it. So today's topic, we're going to talk about 3 strategies for building a successful online reputation and any business can put in place. We're going to cover first of all, the mindset is important for everything else that follows. And then we're going to dive right into proven strategies to create a powerful online reputation. Okay, first let's talk about creating the right mindset. First, you got to commit to the foundation of positive online reputations, and that is an outstanding customer experience. There can't be positive reviews unless the underlying business produces a quality product or quality service for their customers, patients, and clients. So if that's not there, the goal of creating a 5-star business can't happen. So that's number one. Number two, being able to see the Google review system as an opportunity for free advertising that sets your business apart from competition. Look at it that way. It is a asset for you and something that can really help grow your business. Number three, reviews, both positive and negative, are gifts, and they really are. Positive, of course, it's nice to have people say nice things about your business and your services and your employees and your management and all of that. But it also is good to get negative reviews as well. Why? Because it provides the data that you need to continue to improve your products and services. So look at them as gifts. Number four, every employee needs to understand the importance of quality customer experience and positive reviews. That's got to be ingrained in everybody, that you're really attempting to provide quality services and products, first of all, and secondly, have that be reflected in the reviews that people find online. And number five, take action. Building a reputation is sometimes additional work, but it will pay dividends within 3 to 4 months if you put in the right effort. And it's not significantly hard effort. It's not significantly long effort, but it is a sustained way of doing business that can help you to create a positive online reputation. We'll be talking about some of these steps in future videos. So here are 3 proven online reputation strategies. And if you can see over here, the model on the left, there's really 3 elements to it. First of all is build a positive online reputation. Number 2, show it. So show it and market it to the world. And number 3, manage it. So we'll talk about each one of those in a little bit more detail, but putting them all together, it elevates your online reputation and your brand. And that's what this is all about. To build your reputation, first of all, request a Google review from every customer, client, or patient, past, present, and future. People are used to being asked for that today, so don't be shy about asking people for a review. And then secondly, gently remind reviewers a few times if they haven't responded. And there are ways to do both of these that we'll talk about in future videos. But for example, you can send people to your Google My Business page and let them leave a review. But you have to do then the manual work to remind them if they didn't leave the review. Third, having significantly more positive reviews than your competitors will make a difference in your business. So strategy number 2, show your reviews. Show positive reviews to existing and prospective customers. Post those reviews on your website, on your social media, so when people visit your site or your social media pages, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever it is, that they actually will see what other customers have said about your products and services. That really helps pre-sell prospective customers, clients, or patients. So doing that provides a free marketing and advertising boost and tells the world how good you really are. And finally, displaying a 5-star review can increase conversions by as much as 200%. We've got data that shows that it could be upwards almost 300% if in fact you regularly display 5-star reviews to your prospective clients and followers and patients and customers. Number 3, manage it. So it's important to respond publicly to each review, as many as you can, positive or negative. And what we like to say is you need to leave a 5-star response to either a 1-star review or a 5-star review, but it greatly influences the people who read the review and your response. Secondly, monitor the web for every mention of your business so you know what's said about you. You can't respond to a review if you don't know what's out there. And we've worked with many clients, some clients that had no idea that they had negative reviews out there online. And so it's important to monitor the web for every mention of your business so you know what's said. Third, discuss positive and negative reviews with staff. And it's also just as an addition to that, just if you can reward employees for getting more reviews and getting positive reviews, that really does help build your brand. The next one is about measurement. Track the number of reviews, the number of positive and negative reviews, the number of review requests made, the number of responses, or something like that. Whatever fits for your business, but you got to start tracking and measuring your results, and that actually gets you'll know what progress you're making, and you'll be able to align that with progress that your business is making as well. And last, create a simple system and automate as many of these tasks as possible. And there are simple systems out there that are available that can help you automate many of the tasks, and you'll make bigger progress faster. So follow those strategies consistently, and you'll find out that your online reputation and brand strength will significantly improve. Next up, how to improve your online reputation. Google star rating, even if you have a negative review. So that's it for this video. We would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you'll know when we produce and record the next video. See you next video.